Dear students, we have discussed about home ribbon and we have discussed very briefly different groups which are available in the home ribbon. And today we will be more focusing on clipboard group, which is the first group available in home ribbon. And the topics which will be covered in today's module are cut, copy, paste and format painter. So let's start. So we have one document. I have put this document which has certain content to practice us efficiently. We are interested in the clipboard group, and this clipboard group have cut, copy, paste and format painter. So these four things will be explored in this module. So you can see that this cut and copy are at the moment not selected. They are disabled. These buttons are disabled because we have not selected any of the content. So for example, if you select any of the content, you need to bring your cursor over there, and then there are two options. One is you can press Ctrl and Shift and arrow key. So I have pressed Shift key and right arrow key, or you can go with the mouse by selecting in this way. So as soon as you selected this content, for example this content until here, so you can see that cut, copy have now been made available. They are now active. So cut mean that whatever you have selected will be cut from this place and will be pasted to the temporary storage of clipboard. So let's do it. So that line has been cut. So now if you want to paste that line over here, for example, you need to bring your cursor over here and then you can go into the paste option. This is basically a drop down menu button, and that has different options like keep source formatting, merge formatting and keep text only. So at the moment let's do it with keep source formatting, which means that whatever the formatting it had previously, so retain that formatting as it is. And as soon as I did it, that information has been placed over here. And as we have seen in the last module about quick access bar, so you can undo to go to the same place. So this means that we have cut this thing from here, so that has been retained again over there. And redo means that that thing will be put over here. So let's do it, undo. So this is this means cut, and copy means that this line will remain over here as well, and it will be copied over here as well. For example, if you go with the paste, so this line is available here and the same line is also available here, as you can see. So let's do it like this so that you can understand that this is the line which we have copied. So they exist at both places. So now I'm trying to press Ctrl Z for the undo. So now it has been undone and this button has been disabled. This means that there is no undo possible anymore, which means that the last working document has been reached and all of the changes which we made have been truncated and we have reached to the original document. So we have learned about cut, copy, paste and the selection mechanism. There is another important key. If you want to select the whole content, you can press Ctrl A. So the Ctrl A means that all of the content has been selected, and let's press the cut button. This means that all of the document has gone. So if you want to retain to the same place, you have two options, whether you can paste that content using this or you can use the a shortcut key of paste, which is Control V. So you can select Control and V. So the same thing will be again pasted on the same page. So now I want to show you one of the very important thing known as format painter. So this means that if you want to, for example, make this content, like this content, as of same as we have with the abstract. So you can see that this content has certain color, this content has certain font size. So if you want to make all of this content of the same size and format as the formatting of abstract is, then you can put your cursor on abstract, then you can select on format painter, and you can select the content which you want to make as of similar with the abstract. So now you can see that all of the content on which I have put the format, that has been made as similar as the abstract format was. So let's do the Control Z. So let's try to put it or do it again. So I have put over here format painter, and you can see that all of the formatting which was available over here has been done over here. So if you want to do it for multiple time, then you can click over here, click on the format painter twice, like this, and then you can say, okay, this I want to change, this I want to change, this I want to change, this I want to change. So you can apply that format at wherever places you want to if you click this format painter twice. So if you click once, then only one time the format painter is available, and it can change the format according to your desire from where the format you have copied. So let's do the Control Z, which means that we are going backward. We are doing undo. So this is the original source document available. So we have learned about the clipboard group. So let's summarize today's module. We have explored further the home ribbon, and more specifically the clipboard group, and we have seen that how you can perform cut, copy and paste with different keys and with the mouse, and how you can perform the format painter, and how you can perform the format painter once, and how you can perform the format painter on multiple different areas within your document.